Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhaskar Shukla. So today I am putting my views on the topic that affect millions of people: the impact of social media on mental health. So social media become an integral part of our life. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are dominating our online interaction. In fact, this is the complex relationship between online interaction and mental health. So today I firstly talk about the dark side of social media. So I remember a friend who spent lot of time in Instagram scrolling reels and some other things. As compare his life to others, he feel more insecure and happy. So this is the part of social media that it's make us anxiety and loneliness. This is not an individual problem. We know that studies is shown that excessive use of social media can make us to feel more anxiety, more nervousness, etc. And social media is the breathing ground for competition and comparison. So now I am talking about the bright side of social media. However, social media can also provide the platforms to connect with everyone, to conversate, sit, and support. It's also help us to stay in touch with loved one, and it's allow us to increase our ability in social work and skills, abilities, and creativity. So we have to just balance the social media on mental health. So how can we get the necessity things of social media neg- and minimizing the negative impact of on mental health? So we have to just take a small step. Like small step can unlock the big achievement. Like we have to set the boundaries from social media. We have to disconnect from there, and we have to just fix the time of a day that 30 minutes and 1 hour I will spend in social media, because this is the word of social media and we cannot deny it. And after that, we have to take some initial parts as well. Like we have to understand that watch what we are watching is good for us or not, and make a good habit and distance. At last, we have to take a break. We have to disconnect from social media so that we can recharge ourselves. So at last, now I am telling these points to encourage you and make a healthier relationship between social media and mental health. And not today, but one day your mental health will thank you for taking these steps, because a good thing is started from one day, and it will provide a new stage from many years ago. So these steps, if we follow, we can make a healthier relationship with social media. Thank you, sir.